Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're in the market for high-quality laptop or desktop memory modules, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the SKIHOTAR DDR3 SoDimm RAM notebook memory module, available in capacities of 4GB and 8GB, with a memory frequency of 1600 MHz. First things first, let's talk about performance. The SKIHOTAR DDR3 SoDimm RAM boasts a high memory frequency of 1600 MHz for efficient data processing. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, having reliable and consistent memory performance is crucial for all your computing needs, and this RAM module is designed specifically for laptops to provide just that. Manufactured in mainland China, this product reflects the country's excellence in electronics production, ensuring superior craftsmanship and performance. When you choose this product, you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality, reliable memory module for your laptop. Now, let's talk about options. The SKIHOTAR DDR3 SoDimm RAM is available in 4GB and 8GB capacities, making it versatile for users with different storage needs. No matter what you use your laptop for, whether it's work, school, or entertainment, the SKIHOTAR DDR3 SoDimm RAM has you covered. And to top it all off, the installation is a breeze. As a memory module, this RAM is easy to install, making it a convenient choice for laptop users. You'll be up and running in no time with this reliable and efficient memory module. So, if you're looking to upgrade your laptop's memory for improved performance and reliability, the SKIHOTAR DDR3 SoDimm RAM notebook memory module is an excellent choice. Take advantage of our wholesale discounts and grab one for yourself today. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the SKIHOTAR DDR3 SoDimm RAM notebook memory module. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your laptop's performance with this high-quality memory module. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product recommendations.